lineup. Yusuf Mart returns to captain that defense in the absence of Jabulo Pramus suspended.
Yep.
At centre back, while Bongani's field as he starts off for only the third time for Usutu.
Yep, Zungu indeed would add.
Has orders and it's visitors in all dressed up, and he's giving it away now. And there could be problems here for AmaZulu. Early on here, and the second. Oh, no, there's still a chance here. Ofori makes a save, and another. Oh my word, how the Chiefs. Look at this again. Talk us through this, Troy.
Yeah, I think Rama was just caught in two minds. Had the first opportunity to play it very quickly. The second time, he second guesses. But you look at his body positioning, passing, he goes flat instead of making himself available again to lob the ball.
Goes wide to Lilepo. Now, can you get a cutback here from Morris? Chance here to fire one into the side netting from Shabalala. Joint top scorer for Kaizer Chiefs. Tutuzi Shabalala with 4 goals in this campaign, combining well there with a new man, Reef Frostler involved as well.
I think Lilepo does really well to just give Reef Frostler that room.
Now, it's opening up here. Crunching challenge, but the referee didn't like it. And it was Tabo Klele that went in a little bit too hard for the referee's liking. The referee was given the free kick. I wonder whether there'll be more than that here. Oh no, that's a dangerous challenge.
Yeah, dangerous tackle.
Again. But that's a good passage of play again. Frostler with a cutback. Oh my, what will that be? Is that going to be given to Tashrik Morris? It could even be an own goal, you know. But guess what? It's in the net. That's all that matters. Chiefs have a well-deserved lead for the start they've made in this game. He's claiming it. He's claiming it as Tashrik Morris. A goal on debut, is it?
A goal on debut, indeed. This will all go well for Tashrik Morris. We spoke about his height. We spoke about just his presence and giving Kaizer Chiefs a new dynamic. He's challenging for those aerial duels. And that's the first way to compete. You have to challenge those aerial duels.
So Chiefs up and running, and reward really for the start they've made. They've looked the more dangerous and created a better chances of Frostler combining there with Lilepo. Amanda, the minute you want to commit, who scores here? What the best 2019 season, but AmaZulu could get red cards several times here. Muremi! Tapa Muremi equalizes, and Chiefs' defense is breached again. What a response from AmaZulu. The Chiefs' defense got square. More head scratching for Nabi. His first of the campaign. And what a time to get it. They could be slipping out of contention. That's a great ball in here. Shabalala. This time can he finish? Excellent defending from Hanamu. What a ball to pick him out from Yusuf Mart. And again Shabalala. Convincing really there in the area, just maybe Asaile also scored on debut as Ofori. Richard Ofori, never a down moment. Played 4 and they've only managed the 1 win. They've lost 3 of those matches. Could be problems here. Right, that would have been spectacular from Morris. Now that would have been a spectacular way of opening your account. Great ball to play him in though.
Yeah, great ball indeed. He's hungry. He's showing the desire. He knows where his whereabouts, and that's the typical striker. Doesn't need a second invitation, allows the ball to just bounce, follows it all the way through, allows it to bounce and tries to connect on the laces.
But there's one possession high up in the field here with Mordi. Good work from Morris, and the shot is straight at the keeper from Lilepo. But good work. Winning possession high up in the field, and I think this is something we saw, particularly in the first half against Orlando Pirates, that high press.
Yeah, that high press is very important for Kaizer Chiefs. They've been working on it. Mordi forces it.
By Morris helping out in defense. They could break here for numbers in this attack. The Chiefs here. If they play this right, Yusuf Mat took too long to have the shot and was pickpocketed. Pickpocketed by Tariq Phillips. Great recovery from AmaZulu. The break was on there for Chiefs. And again, Nabi applauds the endeavor. Nabi is calling for one of the players warming up. And they were all watching. A whole bunch of spectators there in the team box, and they've been punished. A free header. And AmaZulu have turned it around. Wow. Their Chiefs defense gone to sleep again. And the Namibian salute. It's a Kambindu. Here we go again now. Cross coming in, it looks good, and a touch up from a 40. Still alive. Oh my goodness. Is that Pulamoni? Wow, wow, wow. Pulamoni. For the second game in a row, misses a gilt-edged opportunity. Maybe not as easy as the one on Saturday. How do you not hit the target?
End-to-end stuff here, TT. Kaizer Chiefs just trying to force an immediate response. Richard Ofori comes out.
Paying a price here for their wastefulness here. Cross. Oh, Ofori again misses it. Now they can back. Crosser hits the crossbar. Appealing for the handball. The ball is still in play here. To the back post. We haven't seen the last of the goal. Glory Lilepo. And it's glory for Lilepo. A mess for Ofori. Oh, wow. What happens here? With Sereno, the creative player, but Chiefs could be caught out again. And the upright. Meantime, Sam Gelozwane has come onto the field, and that was the last contribution for Pulamoni. Gets a nice round of applause to Pani. Zungu had a very good first half. That's a great ball! Oh my goodness! You get it, there's more goals in this one. Now, racing into the box here. Chance here for Lilepo. And oh my goodness me. Oh, what are we watching? Oh, Lilepo was in there. Good to hit it away, but comes back to Sereno, whips it back in there. Powerful header, puts it wide. What a chance. Crush Rick Morris. Football will kill you. It's not lands for Chiefs here. Going to the back post there. Volley across the face and missed by Chimavera, was it? Oh my goodness. Oh, the number of chances the Chiefs have missed in this game. I tell you, even a share of the points here, Amanda Dlamini, will feel like a defeat for Chiefs.
Absolutely, a well-floated ball from Vilagazi, pinpointing a Sereno that should have been converted by Chiba.